All right. We ain't stepping in 107 today in a Freightliner. Gonna log in and get all that so I can see where I'm at today. Not too bad. Gonna wipe everything down. We got some trash. It works. I'm about to turn her on and wipe her down and check in. Alright, so it's basically the same route I did yesterday. We're going to be in a little bit of Rome. And it's looking like Rome, so that's good. Decatur, I saw Decatur in there, so Rome and Decatur. Yep. This is what my map's looking like. That's a little more clustered together. We could work with that. That's not like yesterday. So that's decent. 163, 11 multi, that's not bad. 175 and 254. So got everything wiped down. We're clean for the day. Everything's picked up, no trash. It's gonna be a good day. It's supposed to rain a little bit later today, so I brought my jacket and yeah, just gonna take it easy, kind of focus on the work today and hopefully see some dogs. But all right, man, I'll get back to y'all later. And now we wait. Waited all that time and only one of my carts are ready. All right, here we go. 14 bags, 31 overflow, not organized. All labels facing out, so we're gonna be looking at them, looking through them, shuffling through all of them, but it's gonna be an easy day. It looks like I'm gonna be all in residential over there in Rome and Decatur, a little bit in Decatur, so easy day, but all right, man, I'm gonna get to it. Now that's a load right there, shit. Sometimes you gotta park on the side of the road like that. Sheesh. Because I didn't want to pull into that driveway and then have to back out on this busy highway. I'd rather just pull off like that, but yo, everything's all crooked. You can't really tell, but all right. All right. Y'all making me nervous barking. All right, hold on. Here you go. This big boy. And you just keep barking, but damn, all right. God, that boy, I'm about to pull off now. On stop 31. It's getting a little misty out. I want that package. It's okay. There was another dog like you that had his foot hurt, man. He'd be good. Alright, you ready? Hey. Oh, it's because you got buddies over there. You don't want it? You don't want it? Hey. Okay, you don't want it? Okay. He's got buddies over there, so you don't want the treat. I'm gonna stop 70. Got 100 more. It's 3 o'clock. About 5 hours to do it. Haven't taken a 15-minute yet. Probably won't be able to. But, because there's like 3 or 4 packages that weren't on my itinerary but are close by, so I'm going to have to pick them up towards the end. I'm going to wait towards the end to see if I have enough time to do it. But, yeah. Seeing a bunch of dogs, though. Yeah, she's a little tense, you can tell because of that back of her fur, but I'm not sure if she's this person's house, but she looked like she's hurt. Been giving her some. You be good. Here, I'm gonna leave more for you. Look, I'm gonna leave you some more. Right here. Okay? Yeah, she's hurt. I don't know. It's sad. Alright, so it's 4:13 right now. I got 5 bags left, a little bit of overflow. It looks like a lot, but it's not. I got 70 stops left. So I ended up having to pick up 3 extra that weren't on my itinerary that's gonna shoot me all the way over there. So I'm gonna do those last. 95, 94, and like that 120 or whatever the hell that number is. But yeah, I'm about to book it, so not gonna record so much, but trying to get this done. Alright. Oh man, that's 11 packages. It's the one today. Yes ma'am, have a good one. Come here. I got time. Come here. You want it? Oh, I know you're scared, but I'm gonna leave it right there and you can have it, alright? Alright, so I'm gonna stop 134. I got like 36 or 35 left. Overflow, this is one tote right here. That's one tote, had to pack it in because I got so many overflow on this side, but almost done. Man, I'm booking it right now. I'm not even running, but I'm just going. Ready for the day to be over with, though. This is a good day. See, I would have gave you a treat, but you're just over there barking. Yeah, and you're big. You gotta get on. God. Alright, that's it, man. I look rough. And I was booking it towards the end. Just coming back with that damage and business closed. But, yeah, it picked up 4, and they, like, added like 15 minutes to my route, so yeah, I didn't even get a break today. Oh man, but it was a good day. I saw a bunch of dogs, ready to go home. All right man, I'll see y'all tomorrow.